Welcome, my dear student. We learn today nuclear energy, Q value of nuclear reaction. Nuclear reactions involves a change in a composition of the nucleus. In every nuclear reaction, the rearrangement of nucleons takes place, and it is similar to the chemical reaction. The chemical reaction in which the rearrangement of the atoms takes place, and there is a enthalpy changes, that is a heat changes accompanied by chemical changes in a chemical reaction. The energy changes in nuclear reactions are high, of the order of million electron volt, whereas the energy changes in chemical reactions are of the order of a few electron volts, that is a kilojoule per mole of reactant product also. The energy changes associated with the nuclear reaction is known as a Q value of nuclear reaction. The total energy liberated or taken up in a nuclear reaction is called the Q value of a nuclear reaction. The nuclear reactions are always accompanied by change in mass. The change in mass is responsible for the energy changes in a nuclear reaction. If the nuclear reaction is exergic, that is, it involves evolution of energy, the reaction suffers a net loss of mass which converts into energy, means mass is converted into energy, loss of mass is converted into energy. The amount of energy released and the mass is destroyed are related by the Einstein's equation is equal to mc square. Similarly, if a nuclear reaction is endoergic, then it is accompanied by absorption of energy. The reaction takes place with the increase in mass, means energy is converted into mass. Energy absorbed and it is converted into mass. In a chemical reaction, total mass is conserved. If the exothermic chemical reaction, the heat is evolved, excess enthalpy of a reactant appears as the heat energy. If the chemical reaction is endothermic, the heat is absorbed and it is converted to enthalpy of the product. Means here consider enthalpy of a reactant and enthalpy of a product. The enthalpy of the reactant in a exothermic reaction and enthalpy of a product in a endothermic chemical reaction. The energy values in a nuclear reaction are quoted for one single nucleus reacting. In a nuclear reactions, interconversion of a mass and energy takes place. Therefore, both mass and energy of the reactants and products must be conserved. The Q value of nuclear reaction can be determined from the energies and mass of the nuclei and particles which are involved in the nuclear reaction. Consider a general nuclear reaction is represented by equation T plus P gives R plus S, where T is the target nucleus, P is the projectile, and the R is the recoil nucleus or the product nucleus form, and S is the ejected particle that is obtained from that nuclear reaction. The projectile is used, that is a P. The total energy of a nuclear species is the energy corresponding to rest mass and its kinetic energy. Rest mass energy, kinetic energy. Rest mass energy is nothing but the intrinsic energy of the particle. The kinetic energy of the particle, intrinsic energy of the particle that possesses these two types of the energies. The intrinsic energy of the particle of a mass m is mc square, where c is the velocity of light, E is equal to mc square is Einstein's famous equation for the rest mass energy. We consider the m is the rest mass, E is the kinetic energy, then in equation mc square substitute there, mt c square plus et bracket complete plus another bracket mp c square plus ep bracket complete is equal to mr c square plus er bracket complete plus ms c square plus es bracket complete. Means there is a T is a target, P is a projectile, R is a recoil nucleus, S is a ejected particle. The mass m, small m is a rest mass, and capital E is a kinetic energy. Total energy of a reactant is equal to the total energy of the product. The total energy of reactant is equal to intrinsic energy of a reactant plus the kinetic energy of the reactant. It's similar to the total energy of the product is equal to the intrinsic energy of the product plus the kinetic energy of the product, where mtc square, mpc square, mrc square and msc square are the intrinsic energies of the target nucleus. Means there is a rest mass energy. The target nucleus, projectile, recoil nucleus and the ejected particles. The MTC square, MPC square, MRC square and MSC square are the energies of the target nucleus, projectile, recoil nucleus, ejected particle. These are the intrinsic energies. ET, EP, ER and ES are the kinetic energies of target, projectile, recoil, nucleus and ejected particles respectively. The target nucleus is held stationary, means target is at rest, means their kinetic energy is zero. The kinetic energy is not taken in a equation, that is a ET is not taken, means what, there is a MT, MP, MR and MS are their rest masses. The equation MTC square, the ET is not taken, plus MP C square plus EP in bracket is equal to in bracket MRC square plus ER in bracket plus MSC square plus ES in bracket. That is MTC square plus MPC square minus MRC square minus MSC square is equal to ER plus ES minus EP. The MT plus MP in bracket minus MR plus MS in bracket, total bracket into a C square is equal to a C squared is a common, then ER plus ES minus EP. The delta E is the energy difference between the products and the reactants. The ER plus ES minus EP is equal to Q value of a nuclear reaction. This equation represents the difference in the kinetic energies of the products and the reactants. This must be equal to the change in energy associated with the nuclear reaction. Thus, Q value termed as the energy balance of the nuclear reaction. Q value is termed as the energy balance of the nuclear reaction. Q is equal to MT plus MP in bracket minus MT MS in bracket and the total bracket into C square. Q is equal to delta M into C square, or Q is equal to delta M into 931 million electron volt. Delta M is a mass defect. It is a difference between the sum of masses of the reactants and that of the product. Sum of masses of reactant and that of the product, that is a delta M mass defect. If you consider the Q value of a nuclear reaction, the value of that it is greater or the less. The case first, that is the when Q is a positive, it indicates the loss in mass in the reaction and the mass is converted into energy. That is the reaction is said to be exergy. This energy is equivalent to the loss in mass is UOL. The energy is UOL in the nuclear reaction. The loss of a mass get converted into a surplus energy, which is important as a kinetic energy to the product particles. Q is greater than 0, value will be positive when delta M is a positive. Delta M is greater than 0. MT plus MP minus MR plus MS, it is in bracket, it is greater than 0, means MT plus MP in bracket greater as MR plus MS in a bracket. The case second, that is when Q is negative, it indicates the gain of mass in the reaction, and the reaction is said to be an endoergic type of reaction. The energy equivalent to increase in a mass has to be supplied. The energy is absorbed in a nuclear reaction, increase in mass. The energy is converted to mass, means increase in mass is produced by the supplying energy to the incident particle or projectile. Q is less than 0, value will be negative. When delta m is negative, delta m is less than 0. In bracket mt plus mp minus bracket mr plus ms in bracket less than 0. Mt plus mp less than mr plus ms. This is noted that the sign of conventions of the Q value of nuclear reaction is reverse for the enthalpy change in the thermodynamics. The units of Q value, that is the unit for Q value of nuclear reaction. The masses of reactants and the products are expressed in terms of the most convenient unit, that is atomic mass unit scale. Atomic mass unit scale. The one atomic mass unit is defined as that mass possessed by the particle, so that when Avogadro's number of such particles are considered, their total mass will be 1 gram. One atomic mass unit is equal to 1 upon n gram is equal to 1 upon 6.023 into 10 raised to 23 gram is equal to 1.6603 into 10 raised to minus 24 gram. Means the 1.6603 into 10 raised to minus 27 kg. Energy equivalent of one atomic mass unit is given by the Einstein equation. Energy is equal to delta m into c square. Delta m substitute value there, the 1.6603 into 10 raised to minus 27 kg and into the 3 into 10 raised to 8 square c square, that is the velocity of light c. One atomic mass unit is equal to 14.9427 into 10 raised to minus 11 joule, or the 1.4942 into 10 raised to minus 10 joule. The common unit used in a nuclear reaction phenomena is electron volt. The electron volt is the energy required to move an electron through a potential difference of 1 volt. Means the conversion factor, that is 1 electron volt is equal to 1.603 into 10 raised to minus 19 joule, which is equivalent to the 96.48 kilojoule per mole. The 1 million electron volt is equal to 10 raised to 6 electron volt. One atomic mass unit is equal to 14.9427 into 10 raised to minus 11 joule divided by 1.603 into 10 raised to minus 19 joule. It gives the value electron volt. Means the one atomic mass unit is equal to 9.312 into 10 raised to 8 electron volt is equal to 9.312 into 10 raised to 8 upon the 10 raised to 6 million electron volt. Hence the one atomic mass unit is equal to 931 million electron volt. Means this if the measure of in atomic mass unit, the Q value of nuclear reaction in a million electron volt will be Q is equal to delta m into 931 million electron volt. The another concept, that is the threshold energy. For endogenous reaction, the energy is required to break the compound nucleus. This energy supplied in the form of kinetic energy of the projectile, the highly energetic projectile. But the entire kinetic energy of the projectile is not available for exciting the target nucleus, but a part of energy is used to impart, to give the momentum to the compound nucleus, and it is also used up to the kinetic energy of the compound nucleus form. Hence, the extra amount of energy is needed over the Q value of endogenous reaction. Means energy is more than the Q value of reaction must be supplied. This minimum amount of energy necessary to bring about an endogenous nuclear reaction is known as the threshold energy of the reaction. The threshold energy is defined as the minimum energy that must be supplied to the reactants for the nuclear reaction to occur. The threshold energy is given by the relation, the expression ETH means energy threshold energy is equal to minus Q in bracket 1 plus mp upon mt, where the mp is equal to mass of the projectile and mt is a mass of the target nucleus. Then ETH, the threshold energy, is equal to minus q in bracket 1 plus the mass of projectile upon the mass of a target nucleus. Means there minus q is a, there is a q value of nuclear reaction in for the endogenous type of reaction. ETH is equal to minus q in bracket 1 plus m projectile divided by m target bracket complete. The applications of q value of nuclear reaction. First, that is endogenous reactions. The q value of nuclear reaction can be used to calculate the threshold energies, because that much the kinetic energy by must be possessed by the projectile for the reaction to take place. Means there is a q value is used to calculate the threshold energies and the kinetic energy that must be possessed by uh, the projectile. The q value in the nuclear reaction can be employed for the establishing the mass of particular nuclide. The term nuclide is used to describe an atom with a particular composition of the nucleus. A given nuclide can be produced in a series of combinations, uh, reactions with the different combinations of a target nucleus and the projectile. Q value can be measured experimentally for each of these combinations from the major Q values for each of the combinations, and with the masses of the reactants known, the mass of the given nuclide can be calculated. Means the Q value of nuclear reaction can be employed for establishing the mass of the particular nuclide. A third application, that is the Q value of nuclear reaction, can also be used to calculate the kinetic energy of any one of the reactant or the products if that of all others is known. Means the Q value of nuclear reaction is used to calculate the kinetic energy of any one reactant or the product if that of all others is known. Means the application of Q value of nuclear reaction uh, that is or the endogenous type of a reaction. Thank you.